This is a continuation of the shorts on subject and object pronouns. Hello again, my name is Margaret. Today we're looking at a little bit of grammar using these pronouns in sentences. She invited me to a party next weekend. So she is the girl over there. She invited me to the party this weekend. Change it. I am going to a party next weekend. She invited me. Can you help him with his homework this evening? Can you help him with his homework this evening? The boy needs help. He needs help with his homework. Can you help him? They, a group, they asked us, me and my friends, they asked us to join them for dinner tomorrow. They asked us to join them for dinner. So this group, they are having dinner. They invited us, we, for dinner with them. So that's quite a tricky one, that one. They invited us to join them for dinner. He always supports her in everything she does. Maybe she's doing gymnastics. It's a father. Father goes to watch his daughter doing gymnastics. He always supports her in everything she does. I will meet you at the cafe for coffee this afternoon. I will meet you for a coffee at the cafe this afternoon. Just a short little example of how we use these pronouns in sentences, looking at subject and object pronouns. Thanks for watching my lesson today. Hope you found it useful. If you did, find that little picture of me and give it a like and subscribe for more amazing videos. Bye bye for now. See you soon.